Hey, welcome back. I wanted to hop on and make a quick video of me tying some knots because I tied some knots the other day in the keychain video and I feel like I didn't get a very good shot of that. So I wanted to briefly talk about knotting, and this is a strand of beads that I have that is knotted, and the reason people knot beads is in case the strand breaks or the string breaks in there, you don't lose every single bead. You might lose one bead. So knotting is something that's been around for a long time. The first place I ever saw knotted beads was pearls, a strand of pearls. So this is a super long Mardi Gras bead necklace, and there is no clasp on it. It's just super long. Mala beads are also knotted and are done like this. So I'm going to knot this strand, and I'm just going to do a knot. Okay, I'm going to pull those ends through, and I'm laying it down. And I'm going to make sure those beads are all up against that jump ring on this end. Okay. Then I'm trying to do this without blocking it. Okay, so then I'm going to grab my tweezers right at the end of that. Can I do that without you blocking it? There we go. Okay. So then I'm going to grab these ends and I'm going to tighten up that knot. And I've got that a little out of sync. There we go. Okay. So now it got tight. You can see that knot. And I'm just going to push that up against. The tweezers help you control where that knot goes. If I didn't have the tweezers, it could have gone a lot of different places on that string. Okay. So on these, I'm only doing the one knot, and you can knot in between. I could have knotted in between the words here. I didn't. Okay, so it should go this way. All right, so that's just another, hopefully, a good demonstration of how to do the knot that goes at the end on the keychains, or if you want to make mala beads or something else. That's the same technique on tying that knot. All right, thanks.